Good morning, beautiful team. Look at GJ. I would be interested in this sell here after this resistance. I would be interested in that sell below this hour candle that just closed. It looks like it will be a good sell. You could consider this a 15-minute. It is a 15-minute support. I mean, I have to go down to the 5-minute to see what's really going on. This is very pretty on the 5-minute. I like it. Okay. This is fresh supply, isn't it? This is fresh supply. Well, it is fresh because I never did touch it. Touching it now. Being that it is at supply, I would like to see an hour candle close bearish. Either an hour candle close bearish up here or a 30-minute candle close bearish down here. I almost like to just stay here in the 1 hour. The probabilities are that it will come down. Okay, how much time we got? 14 minutes to the hour candle to close. We may end up finally with a bearish candle on gold. On GJ for the 1 hour. I would have to say that if this ends up being a bearish hour candle at supply, I'd have to take it if it breaks below the wick of that candle. Kind of having a feeling that if I don't take the breakout, I'm not gonna catch a trade. My reasoning being that if price is at supply and I get a bearish print, the break of the low of that bearish print should continue going down. It is at supply and it could crash all the way down to here to the mat. Just got to play by the rules, right? And if I find that I have a bearish print at supply and it breaks the low, I got to go with it. We're looking at taking a reversal, and it's all going to be based just on one single candle. Now it's not just any candle, it's an hour candle. Hopefully it goes back up and then crashes. See, normally I would just take the break of the low of this. I like to see it go back up a little bit first, see a reaction going up, and then the crash down. Then I'll feel more confident in taking it. It's the last dump of the hour candle right there. Here we go. Okay, I want to see a push up like it's doing. A little further will be better. A break of the bottom line will be my entry. It's gonna feel like it's late going in after the break of the bottom line, but it is important for it to break. Got my finger on the trigger. Wow, that's nice. Okay, I like it. I like it even better. Keep going up. I like it even better if it can come crashing down. Once I go in, I will use this very wick as my 50% cutoff if it comes back. So in other words, if I go in when it breaks the low, then this wick right here, if it comes back and breaks above its own wick, I will close 50% of the position. It's looking more and more like it, but it's not yet. Okay, I'm in, and I'm up 2, 2.6, 3, 3.2, okay, 3.4, okay, that's 5, 6, 6.5. Now if it comes back to my entry, I'm gonna close half. 6.1, 6.2, there you go, 7.0, 7.3, 7.7, 7.8, 7.8, 7.9, 8, there you go, 10, there you go, 10.5, 10.6, right there, 11 point something. There you go, 12. If you noticed, since we waited, right? I waited until the break of the low. Once it broke the low, no drawdown. I like this whole action here for a deep retracement all the way down to the golden zone, perhaps. We took what may be the only trade of the day on the New York session. Hopefully it keeps going to give us a little more cushion on our winning day. There's gold still in the range, and we got news coming at 10, so see if I can break through that little 5-minute demand. 13, 15, there you go, that's an official winner, isn't it? 15.7, I think at 19 it may have a little bit of a challenge. 16.5 with 0 drawdown, guys. This is a beautiful day. 17, 17.4, 17.5, 18. Let's see what happens at 19. That's what I was talking about. Let's see if it happens. There you go, 19, 19, 20. There you go, 20. Can you break through? Can you break through? Can you break through? It's a good spot for some profits if you haven't taken any. It's a good spot because on the lower time frame, all the way down to the 5 minute, you do have this action here. A little bit of a wall there, okay? A bit of a wall. The play was really based on the fact that price is at the 4-hour supply, weighted on a 1-hour bearish candle, and then the signal for entry is the break of the low of that candle. The next 4 minutes may be it for me, guys. The next 4 minutes may be it. I'm just gonna take the push of the last 4 minutes, and I'm probably gonna call it a day. If you want to hold until you can make it all the way down here, fine. But I'm probably going to call it a day. Still holding at about 15 pips. 15 seconds on this candle to close. Okay, there's a new candle open. And I took it. I took 17, and that's that. Are you here tomorrow? I will be here tomorrow. Yes, I will be here tomorrow. I'll be very happy to be here tomorrow. You guys are always a joy to spend time with. Yep, we're 2 for 2 this week by just simply being very patient, waiting for our setup, taking our setup when we see it. Hopefully you guys benefited from that, and if you get some profits, keep your profits. Remember that this week is NFP week, and we want to be able to play defense, and when we can score, we score, but we don't we're not trying to run up the game this week. This is not the week for 120 points on the scoreboard. We just want to win the game. Okay? Take care, guys. God's blessings to everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.